So guys, this is the Nicebay Cordless Handheld vacuum right here. As you see, I got it on a charger. Got a nice little charger meter on it. We got this vacuum because nice to do little cleanup jobs. Busy dad here with a family and 4 cats. So sometimes I don't feel like going all the way downstairs to get the big vacuum and bring it all the way up. I can just use this cordless vacuum and get the job done right there. You can unlock this and empty it out. As you see, I got some stuff in it right there. You want to hear a sound. Sound just like that. Not too loud, quick and easy to use, very efficient. And that's the Nicebay vacuum.